Now we ready. The mic on, camera on. We vlogging for the first time on the R5. And I'm excited about this. I've been, you know what I mean? Before we watch this video, make sure you like, subscribe down below, or unlike if you don't like this video. Let me know what I could do better down in the comments. And make sure you subscribe. We can see Royce before we go. What's up, Royce? So today, we're gonna go do a little bit of vlogging. We're gonna have us a conversation. We're gonna learn something like we love to do over here with 7 Visions. We're gonna do a little street photography, walking around, taking pictures of strangers, buildings, tall buildings, small buildings. Let's go learn. Stick with me. I showed y'all what was in my camera bag, and I asked y'all on YouTube, I asked y'all, did y'all want to see some more of Royce? So I'm gonna make Royce a playlist later on. And I'm digging those shorts, those little YouTube shorts. Go watch the shorts that I put up. It's like straight to the point. I can show you some more of my day, and I don't have to hold this and work this. Stick with me. Let's go vlog. I did all that. I cut my mic on. I ain't have my mic plugged though, so now I hope I sound a little better for y'all. I'm gonna keep that because you feel me, my energy ain't always there. Let's go vlog. So, I don't know if I thought it wasn't Friday or I don't know. I don't know what I thought. I don't know what I thought, but it's traffic crazy. And I don't think I'm gonna find a place to park. Especially not for free. And this is why I ride my bike. This is why I ride my bike. Let's see. Did y'all see that? That's a rainbow. And a rainbow means rain. You know? A rainbow means rain. So I came out here, I found my parking, and I don't know if y'all can see this little bit of rain hitting the lens, but now it's raining. We're gonna get this vlog done. This might be perfect photography weather. We have rain, sun, rainbows, buildings. How can we lose? And we're gonna get this vlog done. And today we're gonna talk about doing your best. You feel me? Doing your best. Doing your best is not easier said than done, but I think it's definitely more said than done, you know? And if we make doing our best a habit, then we can change our life, we can change our mindset. So as we go do this street photography and whatever else we're doing, we're just doing street photography and some vlogging. As we do this, that's what we're gonna talk about today. So let's do it for this thunderstorm club. Let's do it. He was dope for real. But anyway, doing your best like he was just doing. Let's talk about that real quick. Doing your best, so it don't matter what's going on in life, you know, it could be personal, it could be something with your dream, it could be something with your finances, it could be something with your job, it could be something with your best friend, a relationship, anything, you know, decision making, anything you do in life. I think we beat ourselves up the most, you know. I think we tear ourselves down the most, and a lot of that be because of assumptions, did I say that right? Making assumptions and believing our assumptions. And basically I read a book. If y'all want to know what I read, I can tell y'all in the comments, so you can ask me what I read down in the comments, I'll let you know. But it gave me a lot of insight, and it really is a book that I wish I would have read a long time ago, because I think a lot of decisions in life I could have made different. But in one of those things that I'm talking about I could have did different was really believing in myself and doing my best. And doing my best and doing your best in life. At least at the end of the day, no one can tell you that you didn't try or that you didn't do your best, for one. For two, you can go to sleep at night knowing that you did your best, and you can't cheat yourself. You feel what I'm saying? So only you gonna know that. You can tell me that you did your best today. You can tell your partner, your female friend, or whatever the case may be, that you did your best today, but only you know that for real. So that's what it is. Do your best. We're gonna keep vlogging on this Canon R5 because I'm loving it. It hasn't overheated. It gave me no warnings like that. I'm just using it like a regular person, though. I'm not trying to push the limit. So, yeah. I look well geared. I got the GoPro Hero 8 to give y'all a POV, my point of view of some of the shots I did, and just my point of view. And we walking back to the car. I go get something to eat. We might talk a little bit more before I go and put this right out. Yeah, so we vlogging on this R5 also. We got the 16 to 35 f4 EF version with the EF to EOS R adapter to make it work on the R5, of course. And it's going beautiful. It's working beautifully. No complaints whatsoever. Autofocus, hitting, everything, you know. I haven't tried it with the in-body stabilization or nothing like that yet. I ain't did that yet. I can't wait to see what that turn out like. That turn out like it's supposed to, then we on to something. And I made the wrong turn, so now that it's talking and walking, I'm like, damn, where I'm at. But Atlanta ain't nothing but a bunch of lefts and rights. I get there. Okay, so we're at the house. Take it in, probably not for the night. I might step out again tonight and go create some more, you know. Might go around the city, get some B-roll shots of Atlanta at night. And this is the reason being for what we're talking about right now. The reason being is because I'm wanting to do my best. You feel me? Doing your best. So we talked about it a little bit. Y'all seen some street photography. And if you all have been paying attention to my channel, like, street photography is not something that I'm just great at, or it's not my niche for real. But part of doing my best is touching this camera every day, whether it's this camera or any of my other cameras. But that's part of doing my best because I feel like every day, like every single day, 365 days throughout the year, I need to be touching this camera if I want to be my best at it. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm going to do that, and I'm not going to cut myself short because I know if I'm doing my best. Even if I can lie to the world and tell everybody, yeah, I did my best. Speaking of telling everybody I did my best, that's also not what we're doing our best for. You feel me? Like, if that helps you out, then fine. You got to get over that. But I'm not doing my best just to tell you I did my best. I'm not doing my best to fall back on saying, well, at least I did my best. Now, I'm doing my best to make it a habit. Make it a habit of doing better than what I did. You dig what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing our best for, and it can really change your life. It can really change your mindset by doing your best. Everything, do it your best. Wake up in the morning, like, try to do everything different than what you did from the day before, or better, I should say. I don't give a shit what it was. If you got a routine of brushing your teeth that you don't like, or you say, I ain't brushing my teeth long enough, or I forget to brush my tongue, fix that the next morning. You better fix that shit. You better fix that the next morning. Y'all get what I'm saying, though. Do your best. Do your best at everything that you are doing in life, especially those things that can change your life, like things that can help you financially or help your relationship or anything, do your best. Like, subscribe, follow my social media down below. We're vlogging on the R5 today for the very first time. I hope you all enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it. No overheating messages, warning, nothing. I just been filming and shooting in the rain and the sun. It's been hot today. I did photography, videography. Y'all see everything. No overheating. This camera is exceptionally great. 7 Vision.